1. Consonant Analysis Project. Pet, bat. Mob, mob. Pet, bat. Mob, mob. Fan, van. Leave, leave. Fan, van. Leave, leave. Zip, zip. Rice, rice. Zip, zip. Rice, rice. Chin, gin. Rich, rich. Chin, gin. Rich, rich. Coat, coat. Bag, bag. Coat, coat. Bag, bag. Tie, tie. Load, load. Tie, tie. Load, load. Dip, dip. Mat, mat. Tip, tip. Mat, mat. Sow, sow. Bus, bus. Sow, sow. Bus, bus. Light, right. Bill, beer. Light, right. Bill, beer. P is a voiceless bilabial plosive. B is a voiced bilabial plosive. Both are produced using both lips. B involves vocal cord vibration. Pat artinya menepuk. Bat artinya kelelawar. Sedangkan mop artinya alat pel dan mob artinya kerumunan orang. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, B in final position often sound like P. So, mob may sound like mop. Jadi, saat kita menyebutkan mop, dapat terdengar menjadi mop. F is a voiceless labiodental fricative. V is a voiced labiodental fricative. Upper teeth touch lower lip. V vibrates vocal cords. Fan artinya kipas angin atau penggemar. Van artinya adalah mobil. Leaf berarti daun. Leaf berarti daun, sedangkan leave artinya pergi atau meninggalkan atau cuti. Indonesian learners often pronounce V as V. V menjadi F. S is voiceless alveolar fricative. Z is voiced alveolar fricative. Tongue touch alveolar reeds. Z use vocal cords. Zip artinya teguk atau menyesap. Sedangkan zip artinya resleting atau mengancing. Rise artinya nasi atau beras. Rise artinya naik atau terbit. Z is not common in Indonesian. Pada bahasa Indonesia, huruf Z jarang dipakai. Often pronounced as S. Seringkali dibaca seperti huruf S. C is a voiceless post-alveolar aggregate. J is a voice post-alveolar aggregate. Combination of stop and fricative sound. J use vocal cords. Chin adalah dagu dan gin adalah minuman beralkohol. Rich kaya, sedangkan ridge adalah pegunungan atau bukit. Learners often replace every cat with simple stop. K is a voiceless velar plosive. G is a voice velar plosive. Back of the tongue touch the soft palate. Coat artinya mantel, sedangkan goat artinya kambing. Back artinya belakang atau punggung, sedangkan bag artinya tas. G at word final is sometimes the voice in Indonesian language. G rarely appears in final position and often sound like K. Contohnya, ga atau gag. The is a voiceless dental fricative. The is a voice dental fricative. Tip of tongue between teeth. The use vocal cords. Type artinya paha dan the artinya bentuk lama dari your digunakan dalam bahasa Inggris kuno atau puisi berarti milikmu. Walaupun the jarang digunakan dalam percakapan modern, tetapi sering muncul dalam karya sastra klasik atau teks religius. Loath berarti enggan, tidak suka, atau malas. Sedangkan loathe artinya membenci, merasa jijik, sangat tidak suka. These sounds do not exist in Indonesian, often substitute with T or D. Hal ini membuat pengucapan thin terdengar seperti tin. S is a voiceless post-alveolar fricative. Z is a voice post-alveolar fricative. Tongue near the post-alveolar region. Z use vocal cords. So berarti pertunjukan, sedangkan zo constructed rhyming with go, representing a hypothetical sound. This isn't a real English word with a distinct meaning. Bus artinya semak, sedangkan bus constructed rhyming with fuzz, representing a hypothetical meaning. This isn't a real English word with a distinct meaning. True minimal pairs are very rare in the initial position. The sound the almost never appears at the beginning of English words, except in some proper nouns. Kita dapat mengambil contoh pada middle position. This is where we find the clearest example of minimal pairs or near minimal pairs. Measure, measure. Pressure dan pleasure. The does not exist in Indonesian language, often mispronounced. Indonesian has sl, but the doesn't exist, so measure may be pronounced as measure. L is a voice alveolar lateral approximant. R is a voice alveolar trill or approximant. Air flows around the side for L. R can be trill or retroflex. Light bisa berarti cahaya, ringan, atau terang. Sedangkan right bisa berarti benar, hak, atau kanan. Bill bisa berarti rekening, tagihan, uang kertas, atau paruh burung. Sedangkan beer, minuman beralkohol yang biasanya dibuat dari fermentasi gandum. Indonesian speakers often roll r and may confuse l and r in fast speech. Indonesian r is trill, making English r sound unnatural sometimes. L and r are mixed up like vs right. Tongue twister analysis. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Contrast K voiceless vs K voice, both velar plosive. This effect meaning cook and good are distinct due to voicing. Some learners tend to replace g with k due to Indonesian influence where g rarely occur in final position. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Contrast between the and the, both affricates differing in voicing. Mistakes may occur due to unfamiliarity with affricates in some Indonesian language. Example, charming and jump can be measured if pronounced unclearly. Silly zebras shared shoes and sang soft songs. Silly zebras shared shoes and sang soft songs. S and Z are alveolar fricative differing in voicing. S is both alveolar different in place. These contrasts are essential in English but hard to master due to Indonesian language interference. As a speaker of Bahasa Indonesia, I often struggle with voicing contrast, especially at word final position, example B vs P. Distinguishing affricates like T and T. Maintaining clear fricates like S, Z, S, and Z, which are less emphasized in my Indonesian language. Doing this project has helped me become more aware of how each sound is produced and why it matters for clear communication in English. Thank you.